As your principal secretary, being a top administrator, I'm proud of the achievements that we have delivered for this country under the leadership of President Ruto. There are actually visible transformation. There is no part of this country you will walk in today. And as the administrators, you must be able to help us to communicate this, to keep reminding our people of all these visible development outcomes. You chair 16 committees. You're basically coordinating government operations and programs. So whether you're serving in the field or at different ministries, departments, and agencies, your biggest task is strengthening monitoring and evaluation of government programs and priorities, including security. And that is why the team from GDU is here, because you work hand in hand to make sure that we monitor the progress of government programs across the country.